D. 10D Cognitive Cube is a multidimensional intelligence engine that transforms raw data into structured, predictive, contextual, and governance-aware insight. It operates in the inform layer and supports Analyzer 1.0 in governed decision flow under IGA 2026. Universal applicability of the 3D, 10D Cognitive Cube across domains. One foundation of a multi-domain intelligence engine. The 3D, 10D Cognitive Cube is not designed for a single industry, it is a universal intelligence engine that transforms raw data into structured, predictive, and governance-aware insights. Its strength lies in its ability to adapt to any domain where data exists, making it inherently scalable across industries. 2. Finance and banking systems. In the financial domain, the Cognitive Cube enables risk-aware decision-making, fraud detection, compliance monitoring, and portfolio optimization. When combined with Analyzer 1.0, it ensures that every financial decision is validated before execution, aligning with regulatory frameworks like RBI and IFRS. 3. Healthcare and hospital systems, HMIS. In healthcare, the system integrates patient data, operational metrics, and predictive analytics to improve care delivery. From ICU monitoring to blood bank management, it ensures decisions are not only data-driven but also governed and auditable under strict compliance standards. 4. Manufacturing and Industry 4.0. In manufacturing environments, the Cognitive Cube processes production data, quality metrics, and supply chain signals to optimize operations. It predicts failures, improves efficiency, and ensures that production decisions are governed through Analyzer 1.0 before implementation. 5. Education and academic governance. For educational institutions, especially under ISO 21001 and NEP 2020 frameworks, the system supports outcome-based learning, faculty performance evaluation, and curriculum optimization. It ensures that academic decisions are aligned with governance and quality standards. 6. Logistics and supply chain networks. In logistics, the Cognitive Cube enables real-time tracking, route optimization, and demand forecasting. It ensures that supply chain decisions are predictive, efficient, and governed, reducing delays and improving operational reliability. 7. Government and public sector governance. In governance systems, the engine supports policy analysis, public finance management, and citizen services. It ensures transparency, accountability, and auditability, making it suitable for smart cities and national-level decision systems. 8. Capital markets and stock exchanges. For capital markets, the system analyzes market trends, trading patterns, and risk indicators. It ensures that trading decisions are not impulsive but governed, reducing volatility risks and enhancing market stability. 9. Startups and venture capital ecosystems. In startup ecosystems, the Cognitive Cube transforms investment decisions from intuition-based to governed capital allocation. It supports financial planning, valuation models, and exit strategies, ensuring investor confidence and risk control. 10. Energy, ESG and sustainability systems. In energy and sustainability domains, the system monitors consumption patterns, carbon emissions, and ESG metrics. It enables organizations to make environmentally responsible decisions aligned with global sustainability goals. 11. Retail and e-commerce platforms. In retail and e-commerce, the Cognitive Cube analyzes customer behavior, demand patterns, and inventory data. It enables personalized experiences and efficient supply chains while ensuring decisions are governed and optimized. 12. IT, SaaS and AI platforms. For technology platforms, the system integrates with AI/ML pipelines, SaaS metrics, and cloud environments.